1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, hello. Bo! Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? How is everyone? Hello, Yotos. Hello, Volko, Roman. All is wood. Arnab. What's up, guys? Ablash. Oh la 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 la. I just did a French install of Arch with XFCE4 for my old gaming PC. So fast and so stable. Yes. Salut Gordon. So did you do a French install or a fresh install? Okay, Volko, Max is back and improved. Hey dude, I never left. You say I'm back, but I never left, brother. Always there. Hello Gilbert, happy Friday, dude. Good morning, sunrise, spring world. Hello. The French and fresh. Okay, guys. Hope you are doing well. I see a lot of people getting ready well in chat. Happy Friday. This is the end of the week. I'm gonna cheers to that. Hello le tabouret. Bonjour. So what are we gonna do today? Today, we're gonna install Clear Linux. Because I had a lot of viewers asking me to review and test Clear Linux. And it's something I've never done before. So we'll see how it goes, dude. We'll see how it goes. I did download the ISO, so there is a trap. I will show it to you after. But because we are starting right off the bat, there is a trap when you download the ISO on the Clear Linux website. So I'm going to explain you what I've done because it's quite important if you want to test the distro. Okay, and after the first boot, we're going to go into it a little bit deeper, but it is, I would say right off the bat, it starts to look a little bit complicated. I won't lie to you guys, so we'll see how it goes. Does Clear Linux compare to any other distro? We will see. We'll go through a full review of it. Okay. But there is a trick. When you download the ISO, it's really tricky. I'm going to show it to you. I think the distro of choice is Clear. Okay. Here we go. Here we start. All right, so I did copy the ISO. I put it on my inventory key. And guess what? We're going to boot into it, boys. So it's here. Clear Linux ISO. Is Clear Linux based on Pacman? No, it's not. So Clear Linux is a distro on its own, and I think it's developed by Intel. Okay, so it's his own stuff, okay? Oh, I don't have the screen captured. What the? Wait, we have an issue here. 1 second, chat. We got a big issue, dude. Okay. So I'm gonna redo that for you guys. I'm gonna redo it. I don't know what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna restart my PC and we're gonna do that because I need to show you, alright? We had a technical issue for whatever reason. My bad, chat. Hello, Xero. Did you fix Kashi? Oh, yes, I did. No problem. I did fix cache, so I made a mistake. Last stream, I totally erased my EFI partition, okay? I destroyed it, boys. Okay, now it's working. So I download the ISO, boom. And here we are. Okay, now it's booting. So what I was saying is like, last stream we did an install of Mint. And Mint has an issue when you boot with multiple like SSD and NVMe, like it's kind of a bug. So I tried to manually partitionate my disk, which I did find. But by doing that, I made a little mistake, and I did erase my EFI partition for my main operating system, which is CacheOS. But the beauty with Arch is that you can rebuild everything. So it took me, I don't know, like 5-10 minutes, and I was back into CacheOS. Everything is fine. Okay, so it booted. Yep. And we are on GNOME, huh, guys? So Clear Linux is packaged on GNOME, I guess. So let's see real quick. What do we have there? So yeah, it's working. Do they have NeoFetch? Yes. Voila. So OS Clear Linux, kernel 6.7.9. GNOME 45. And what? You see my Nvidia right off the bat? No. No, the driver are not installed. Okay. Okay, so boot is okay. Let's get out of here. Don't you have an AMD CPU? Yes, I have. Intel optimization are specific for Intel CPU. Okay, guys. The goal is just to test. Right now, we're gonna test. First things first. I'm gonna describe what the distro is all about. Okay, we'll look at it together. And then we'll get into the specific, okay? I have no idea. Like, this is the first time ever I install this distro. Okay, like ever. Man, this is ruining my eyes. Please. Thanks. Okay, sorry about that. So nouveau recognizes user GPU fine. Yeah, I can tell. That's great. Is clear GNOME only? I hope not. I guess this is just the ISO, right? This is just the ISO. All right. So Clear Linux projects. Clear Linux OS is an open source rolling release distribution optimized for performance and security from the cloud to the edge, designed for customization and manageability. Okay. So, about. Clear Linux is built. Wait, let me do it better. Yes. Clear Linux is built so that the OS does not get in the middle of development activities while providing performance. Clear Linux is highly tuned for Intel platform. Darn! Clear Linux OS optimized across the whole stack. The platform, kernel, math library, middleware, layer, frameworks, and runtimes. Security enabled from the cloud to the edge. Okay. Clear Linux OS employs a stateless concept. This strict separation between user and system file allows for easier manageability and simplifying customization. Dude. Clear Linux OS is built for efficiency. Bon, why not? Intel optimization. The Clear Linux team used multiple methods to optimize the performance on Intel product. Kernel configuration, compiler flags, and automatic use of optimized binaries and libraries. On Intel CPU with AVX 512 instructions, the AVX optimized libraries, auto-detect at startup. Okay. Clear Linux employs a stateless concept, a strict separation between user and file system. So what is this efficient update? Clear Linux OS dependencies are resolved at build at time and delta update are designed to be proportional to the change. This keeps update fast and ultra wide. Hello PTAP. Phoronix has tested Clear Linux performance a few months ago. It was in the lead. So if you got AMD CPU, don't use this. Why not? Like right now, guys, I'm legit curious to understand like how they can optimize for Intel CPU and not AMD CPU. Okay, so wait. Okay, I get your concern there. Clear Linux on AMD CPU. Voilà. I just want to know what is exactly the official position of the Clear Linux team on the topic supporting AMD hardware. So the newer Ryzen do support the actual as well instruction set. Exactly, right. So this is the same, right? So I'm like, why would we have a problem? Oh, okay, so there is another link. Let's get into it. We publish minimum hardware requirement. If your system meets these requirements, then it will be a bug if it doesn't work. Okay, we recently removed the requirement for AES, so a lot of hardware now can run on Clear Linux OS. If you had new requirements, then we will announce this well ahead of time for the obvious reason that will break many existing system install. So essentially, that's about as close as promised as we can get. Well, I'm going fast into that. No, I should be fine, guys. Like here, it's just related to the virtualization. So Intel use something called IOMMU, and we use something else, right? But like, it shouldn't be a problem, boys. Okay, I will look in the journal, but I don't see why we'll have a problem. Anyways, this is the idea. Like, we are testing, okay? It's supposed to be Intel, but I do believe my CPU has all the instruction for Intel. So, you know what I mean? It shouldn't be a problem, dude. I'm not scared. I think we should be fine. So one thing I'm going to show you, though, is related to the download. So if you go there and you want to download it, okay? You go on download and you click here, download. And it doesn't work. Okay, you can see like there is some type of issue. So what you need to do is get back there and go on download.clearlinux.org, and then you will have access to it. But here is the biggest trick. So when you go there, you have everything, and you have, I think it's in maybe a release. Yeah, so you go into release here, you take the last one, clear, and here you will have all those files, you see? But guess what? In the release, there is no ISO. And this is where I got caught. Okay? If you download one of these images there, which is... wait, let me make it bigger for you guys. Like that, you're gonna see it. So, if you download here, look at it. It's an image file. Okay? The live desktop, for example, it's an image file. You don't want that, boys. Because you won't be able to properly like boot, for example, from Ventoy. You want an ISO. So for the ISO, you need to go out there and go on image, I think. And there you have the ISO. So you see, it's a little bit like, I would say older than the image, but you don't care. You just take it, okay? And this is where the issue is. If you use Ventoy, you won't be able to use the image. Okay? But that's all. So we should be fine, guys. We should be fine. So let's install this monster. We'll see how it goes. So American English, yes. Select time zone. America. America. Yes, Toronto. Okay. Select keyboard. Yeah, we're gonna go US. Select installation media. Okay, goodbye Linux Mint. We're gonna go on the 1 terabyte. Okay, manage user. Username. Max. Login. Max. Password. Okay. An easier way to solve this is to let the site know that their link doesn't work. So how do you do that, Hollywood? Isn't Toronto in Canada? Yes, but Canada is in America, right? America is a continent. You have North America and South America. And you have the country called United States of America. Are some distro not compatible with Ventoy? I could never boot live ISO of Gecko Linux on it. Yeah, that's what I heard. I heard some distro are not compatible with some Linux distro. I never had any issue with it, Pitep. Yeah, I know. I'm pretty funny guy. Like, password is too simplistic. Bro. Okay. Dude. I can choose my password? The heck? This is going to make me upset, dude. I won't lie to you. This is going to make me upset. Remember, this OA is high security. Okay. Guys, let me think about a password right now. Okay? I'm looking at your name, guys. I hate this. You know why I hate that? Because I'm using this keyboard, dude. There is no letter on it. Ah! Yogi Kex. Okay. Okay, I stopped trolling. Telemetry. Allow Clear Linux to collect no thanks. Oh, advanced option, dude. Select additional bundle. Ooh. Common set of pre-built R library, container, GIMP. Now, this is a trick. I like to install GIMP, okay? That's the thing I like to install. So we won't be installing it now. Package util for creating, building, and managing packages. Yes. LibreOffice. Application for the desktop. What is this? This is weird, no? Hello to Spooky. I only use Clear Linux kernel on a fresh Endeavour OS install. The actual Clear Linux distro I hate so much. Okay. When you are too pro for keyboard without letter, you run into problem like this. Okay, dude. Kernel configuration. Ooh, native, cutting edge or LTS. Okay, that's good. Software updater configuration. Okay. But we're gonna install, boys. We'll see how it goes, okay? Yeah, I think we should be good. Okay, let's go. Give me 1 second. So if you install it without checking any box, do you just get a TTY? I guess we'll see, dude. I have no idea what we're going to install there. Like, I have no idea. Have fun using SWPG. So this is their package manager, right? They have their own package manager. Because someone earlier was asking if we're gonna have like different, like desktop manager. So, sorry, package manager. I'm pretty sure it's not Pacman. So it has to be their own package manager called SWPG. The server ISO is pretty much the same, but just without a DE. Man, maybe I should have went with the server ISO and add GNOME on top. Sorry, KDE on top of that. We're gonna switch to KDE. I don't want to stay on GNOME. It won't be representative of, you know, the actual performance of the OS. For whatever reason, SWPG felt really slow on your system. Huh, interesting, dude. Hey, hello Guilherme, how are you doing, buddy? Salut, salut. Jimmy Key, I have no idea what type of packages they are using on Clear Linux. We're gonna discover that together. I have no idea. This is the first time I ever install it right now. I have no idea what type of surprise we're gonna get. I don't even know if we can install the Nvidia driver, nor Steam or anything. I have no idea, man. Because what it looks like when you look at their website, it looks like it's a distro for like coder and container and this type of thing. Like, look, desktop, server, and container. Azure, Hyper-V, Cloud Guest, Amazon Web Service, like KVM. We'll see how it goes, boys. Oh, they have all their software like that? And you can't make a research? Yeah, I don't know about their website, dude. Like, their website is like, I don't know, man. Hello, Alexander. You can right click on the back button. Whoa! Thank you, buddy. Yeah, I think you're teaching me so much, Alexander, those days. Like, teaching me like a lot. A lot of the basic. How are you doing, dude? Well, I'm gonna crack some food, huh? I'm gonna crack some food, boys. For a website made by a multi-million-dollar company. Yeah, I do believe that their intent is not ready to be like user-friendly. Like, that's the feeling I have. And if they do, they miss their they missed it, bro. Okay, here we are. Bon appétit. Thank you, guys. I don't know what's going on with my organism, but I always need to eat food, dude. Okay, so it's installed. It was pretty fast, no? I think it was pretty fast. Let's get into it. EUFI OS. Yes. Oh man, I should have defined the host name. Hmm. Interesting. So they don't have a hostname file, huh? Okay, so what? Let's do two things, okay? Because this is going to annoy me. Oh, what is this software? Wait. Bro, they have Discover? What is this? It looks like Discover, no? Oh, nice. Okay, so you install everything through Flatpak, dude. Hmm. Okay, let's check. I'm discovering with you guys. Bro, he installed it, but I thought I untapped it. Okay. Ah, so he created it. Okay, so I was just wondering like if they are doing really things different. Okay. So darn it. Okay, who cares? So we got this. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit. And what I think we're gonna do. Man, this is ugly. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna do the basic. Okay, so let me start with that. So this is good. I'm gonna change the display. Yeah, the drivers are not installed. So clear Linux, install Nvidia driver. So this is GNOME software. Okay, my bad, dude. I apologize. I don't use GNOME at all. And I need to see how to upgrade. So update and upgrade clear Linux. Salut mon bureau Linux. Comment vas-tu? You need to update clear software. Sudo. Okay, so this is the package manager that you guys were talking about. So swupd. Darn. Info, show the version and the update URL, auto update, check update, update, bundle add, install a new bundle, list, install bundle. Info, display information about a bundle. Search. Okay. So sudo swupd update. I hate this password. It's read ready like swapd. Oh, swapd. Okay. So we are up to date. So somehow we did upgrade everything. Why not? List grep Nvidia. Oh, bundle list. Bundle list. Oh, it doesn't have Nvidia, dude. Is there a package list? Oh, you can find it there, right? So my belief is that we're gonna install everything through Flatpak, right? Because if you look at the description on the website, there is multiple layer. And I'm guessing is that on the operating system itself, you're not going to install a lot of things. Everything is gonna be Flatpak. Christ, I read it as sub, dude. Okay. No shame using Flatpaks. Right. So, bro, they have... So there is this script here, which pre-install everything. Depending on the clear Linux release... Okay, wait, we're gonna read that. Driver may not work with recent Nvidia driver graphic 3000 or newer. The solution is to install the OS text mode, press the letter E, boot screen, happen, no mode set, with a space. During setup, remember, blah blah blah. Kernel command line, enter, okay. So we didn't have this issue. First, run the pre-installer script. The update argument is needed on a prior clear inline installation or refresh configuration file. Run the pre-installer script. Okay, we're gonna go with that. I think it could be fun, dude. Debian stable with Flatpak is awesome. Yeah, that's right. Hello, Squeezer. You got me ready into Cache OS. I love it. Same, man. I've been using it for 5 or 6 months straight. I didn't have to install it once. This distro is awesome. It's my favorite right now. Okay, so let's install the driver. Okay, what I can tell you though is like this thing is crazy reactive. Let me tell you this way. Oh, bro, we have to download 1.2. What the? And why do I have to download X11 server? I thought I had it already. I'm a little bit confused here. Are we running Wayland? That's just the name of the bundle. X11 was probably installed separately. Okay. Well, here is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna install the Nvidia driver. And then we're gonna set up everything. And I think we're gonna switch to KDE. I don't like GNOME. Okay, so he did config everything, and now we're gonna do pre-install driver. Oh. Oh no! Broskito! Okay, I don't know what we are doing, dude, but we are doing it. KDE also switches to SDMM. It's pretty nifty. Wow, we're gonna have to do it, bro. So, Problematist, are you used to clear Linux? I think we might have killed it, boys. After 50 minutes. Found this on a Reddit post, but apparently sudo swapd bundle add desktop KDE app and install KDE. Oh yeah, it will. I'm pretty sure we were gonna find a way to do it. It's more fragile than Arch. But the thing is, like, I'm totally inexperienced, right? This is my first time. So you know what I mean? It's like, hey, yay. So it looked really crashed, huh, there. The good old reset. You shouldn't run random stream from the internet, maybe? This one looks solid. Yeah. I didn't... There is something he didn't like, huh? What the? Oh, it's here. My bad. Run the pre-install driver script with no argument. So you see, I had to install the driver after. Okay? This is the step I missed. Ah voilà. Easy, papa. So I guess the readme on the GitHub was not the best. Well, it's doing something. Something is happening, guys. Ah, voilà. Voilà, chat. Guys. Well, like, yeah, it's a struggle or whatever. Easy, papa. Jean, thank you, buddy. I'm happy you're enjoying the stream. So, did we fix it? Eh oui! Eh oui! Like a boss! Like a boss, chat! Nvidia, give me the power! Whoa! Sorry, guys, I'm just losing it. It's part of the show, you know? Ah, latest driver, man. What is... man. I always don't remember this command. To check if the modules are loaded. I can't remember this command all the time. I don't know why, like, man, like... It's module whatever and then grep Nvidia, but I don't remember, like... How do you check? I just want to see if the modules are loaded correctly, but... LS mod. Ah, thank you, man. Always I don't know why I can't remember this one. Okay, all good. Boys. I think we are solid, huh? So, listen. What I'm gonna do... I'm going to install Steam. And we're gonna run some game. Okay, that's gonna be the idea. And then I'm gonna switch to KDE, I think. That's gonna be the idea, dude. What do you think, Chad? Because if I switch to KDE and actually crash it, I don't want to have to redo everything from the get-go, okay? So let's go install Steam real quick. I think that's going to be the plan. But this is clearly working, chat. Like, this is working. Yeah, we're gonna have to, I think we're gonna have to compile it if we want it working there. Glad it's working, but I don't think this is a distro I would install to run Steam. Do you use Flatseal? I think we're gonna have to use Flatseal, dude. Pretty sure we're gonna have to run it, man. Okay, so Steam doesn't seem to be installed. Consider install Steam device. Okay, give me 1 second, chat. I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna try to mount my game. Okay, we're gonna do it together. But first, I need to log in. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to use Flatsil. And here you're gonna be able to make fun of me again because obviously I don't know how to use Flatsil because I never use it. So is this distro rolling or stable? This distro is a rolling distro, guys. This is a rolling distro. So something seems off. Okay, like something seems off because I started Steam, but nothing is happening, dude. So I'm wondering if it's, you know, installing something on the background. But like something is off, dude. Oh no, it was just... Okay, man, it was just unpacking everything. This is pretty slow, huh, to install Steam on Flatpak. It's still unpacking, so my bad. We just have to be patient. Sorry about that, chat. Arch until the day we die. Okay, it's working, dude. Okay, I'm logging. I'm logging now, chat. So give me 1 second. Because I want to keep some of my, you know, privacy when I do this type of thing. Because this video is gonna stay live for, you know, until the end of time. Or at least until the end of my channel. You know what I mean? So I want to make sure, like, we kind of, like, keep it, like, private. I have to say, like, the desktop is super responsive, super fast. Which is awesome, okay? So yeah, I think we're gonna have to use Flatsil. We're gonna do it together, okay, guys? And also, I'm gonna have to remove something. Make me think, guys, to remove the mouse acceleration, please. Okay, so I'm restarting this baby. Give me 1 second, chat, and we're gonna check Flatsil together, okay? All right, so I install Flatsil. So Flatsil, okay. Steam. So I guess you have to add it there, right? Over file. I will be the guest, right? My glass are exposing me. Oh no. Glasses reflect the screen. Oh no, dude. I'm exposed. So I guess this is this one, right? Bro, I have to type it. Come on, man. Like, are we in 2024? Is this what am I supposed to do, dude? Hello, Benjamin. You are testing Linux distro is like testing mushroom for us to enjoy. That's right. It's an interesting distro, but it has no packages available. Like the Ninja build system is not even available, so it's kind of hard to even build something hyperland here. Oh, good point, chat. I'm listen, dude. I'm just trying. Okay, I'm just. Why do we have this sign here? Did I make a mistake? Oh, changed by user. Okay. Should be fine. I'm gonna relaunch Steam, okay? You are a brave man. Thank you, dude. You know, you are pretty brave watching the stream too, because I have my moment where I'm kind of like losing my mind too. You know what I mean, buddy? So right now, you know, we are kind of soft. But I'm gonna tell you, we can become pretty crazy. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this, papa! Whoa! The power, dude. Okay, so we did it. Man, nobody of you told me to remove the mouse acceleration. Ah, now I feel like home. Finally. Automatic suspend off. Thank you. Here we are. Okay, so we have Steam up. We have the hard drive actually good to go. We have everything good to go, boys. So let me see if I have Proton experimental bleeding edge. Oh la 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 la. Okay, let's go, guys. I just like I'm gonna have to check if I'm on KDE, like I'm on Wayland or X11. I do believe I'm on X11, but I'm not sure. This background is worse than a pure widescreen. Is it hurting your eyes, guys? Just tell me, dude. Like, oof. I think this is fine. Please launch. Thank you so much for saving our eyes. Man, like, hey, if something is wrong, you need to tell me, okay, boys? We're gonna fix it right away. Oh, somehow he's downloading stuff. Okay, okay. Let's let him download stuff. No problem. Steam is not doing okay. No! Come on, dude. Test on X11. Yeah, that's why. Boys, that's why we are struggling. We are running on Wayland right now. I think this is the reason why like we are struggling. So I don't want to run on Wayland anyway, so we're gonna reboot it. We're gonna reboot and we'll see if I have the option to go on X11. Okay? I'm not blaming Flatpak yet. Okay? I'm not blaming Flatpak because I don't need to blame it. It's just blaming itself, dude. Okay? I don't need to blame Flatpak. Bro. What did I do wrong here? Okay. Ah. Oh. Ooh. X11, boys. What do we do, chat? What do we do? Startix? No, I don't want to do Startix. Like, it works or it doesn't work. It's now clear. Okay, let's say it just crashed, okay? Maybe it just crashed. Is Nvidia good enough on KDE 6? Yeah, it's good enough, dude. I've been using Nvidia for like a long time, brother. sudo Nvidia xconfig. I'm not sure. Normally, it should be working right off the bat, guys. Buy an AMD GPU? No, never. I love my 4090 and my RTX too much, brother. The experience is clearly amazing. Okay, guys. Don't be too rough, alright? Don't be too rough. Listen, I'm pretty impressed by the fact we were able to install the Nvidia driver so easily, okay? Like, remember, the Nvidia driver were pretty easy. So let's try it again, okay? Ah, you see, boys? You know what I'm talking about? I think, guys, I think you're a little bit too harsh. And it's not a play on word, okay? I think sometimes like you go a little bit further. Let's give a chance to the product, boys. Running Wayland and X11 app are crashing. See the issue. Try setting system-wide variable and reboot. Okay, I think we are good, Jimmy Key. I think it was just, you know, like the first start or whatever. It happens, okay? Like this is clear Linux. We are testing stuff. Like just give a chance to the product, boys. Good thing, do not use OBS Flatpak. Now it's crapping out with NVENC. Ah, brother, I told you, like, OBS is not good with Flatpak. I know you told me, no, Flatpak is great, Flatpak is great, it's the best. I told you, man. But... told you. I hate to be that guy. But I told you, bro. I told you. Like... Flatpak is great, don't get me wrong, but there is some application which are a pain to set up correctly to work with Flatpak. OBS is one of them, opinion. But that's just me, brother. Right now, we are running with OBS on my second machine on Arch. And listen, I will never use Flatpak on this machine, no matter what. For OBS. It's just someday it will work, someday it will not work because there is some type of installation of driver or there is some type of security stuff. It just drives me insane, bro. It just drives me insane. If you are very patient, that's the key for success. I agree with that, dude. Clearly, Air Max is going to be professional. Yes! Guys, it's launching! Okay, so let's see those big performance. So, before we start for the performance stuff, I want to tell you something, guys. I know that TKG and Kashi team... Sorry, so let me rephrase. I know that TKG and the team of Kashi are using the patch within their kernel from Clear Linux. So I don't think we're going to see any difference compared to what we are doing normally, but that's going to be my bet. So we will see how it goes, okay? But that's what I think deep down. Vesuvius, best Linux recommendation for someone who is transitioning from Windows, please. Linux Mint, and I made a lot of tutorial for that. So I really advise you to search on my channel the playlist for transitioning from Windows to Linux, which is explaining everything, dude. Like my optimization video for gaming on Linux has something like 10,000 views or 12,000 views. I think people are really happy about it. So I really advise you to watch it. I think I did a great job. Yeah, I'm the best. Thank you, chat. I'm the best. Okay, now please, chat, don't be too crazy. I know I'm the best. Thank you. Fedora KDE or Linux Mint. No, not Fedora. Chat de ratatouille. No, not Fedora. No thanks. Okay? For beginner, Fedora is just too complicated. I don't agree. I would say Mint. Self-respect. I like Garuda very much, ready to use and works great. So Garuda is great, okay? The issue with Garuda is that the maintenance, because it's Arch, it can be a little bit complicated. Right? And the same for Fedora. Fedora, like, what I like about Mint is like Cinnamon really look like Windows. Mint, if Fedora, you're gonna be pushed on KDE or GNOME, and because it's really like, it's not rolling edge, but they're pushing a lot of stuff which is not making it super stable on the long run. I would say like keep it on Mint, and when you are bored of Mint or you feel like it might never happen, huh? But let's say you are getting bored of Mint, then you push to something else. That would be my recommendation. What's your thought on EndeavourOS? I really like it. I think EndeavourOS is great to learning Arch. Because he has a great installer, like a graphic installer. And their forum is really great to learn about Arch. That's what I like about Endeavour. But don't get me wrong, like EndeavourOS is Arch with an installer and nice graphic and, you know, some specific like stuff, like the choice of Dracut and everything, but it's Arch. Okay? It's Arch for the beginner and the intermediate user, I would say. A lot of the performance improvement on Clear Linux are also only native packages because of their compiler. A lot of performance improvement on Clear Linux are also only on native packages because... Oh, got it. So because we are using Flatpak, we won't see it. Yeah, it will make sense, Problematist. Is the Penty will be on? No, it's not on, dude. Oh, look at this! Oh, what a great zoom on the non-Penty on the other guy. Okay, so we're gonna get a lot of FPS, I feel it, dude. Told you. Yeah, 280. So we are way under something like CachyOS, okay? So CachyOS, I will be at 290, dude. Oh, wait. We are on GNOME, boys. We need to switch on KDE, because... Okay, GNOME, I forget about that. So we need to test GNOME right now. Doesn't this get you demonetized? No. So guys, we are using GNOME. And I think GNOME is the reason why we are performing so low here. Okay? I was on Fedora before Arch and it was a lot more stable. I don't get that. I tried Mint, and it's excellent and easy, but I wanted to get the taste of Arch, so I tried Garuda after watching your tier list, and it was easier for me than using CachyOS or EndeavorOS. Yes, I get that, dude. Garuda is definitely easier to take in hand, and he has a lot of like application out of the bat, so it's you can really do everything from the GUI. And something like Endeavor or Cachy is more like terminal centric. So I get your point there. Okay, Jude, so I think the next step, so it's working, okay? I think the next step is to switch to KDE. Can we do that, boys? We're gonna have to do it anyway. So clear. Okay, clear Linux, install KDE. Off topic, is Arch the only distro that has explicit sync patch for Wayland Lover? I don't know, Sharika. I read that GNOME was pushing the patch. I can't really answer this question, dude. I can't really answer this question. I know Arch has it, but I don't know about the other one. I'm trying to see if I can set up SDDM too, because this is the issue, right? I want to see if I can do that. So guys, we're gonna do that first. We're gonna install KDE, okay? Cachy package installer kernel manager are brilliant. I will uninstall buggy Nvidia feature driver and install feature one without command line. Yes, you could do that, but if you look at Garuda, they have more app and more like GUI stuff than Cachy. Right? So I understand, like, and this is what I said in my video too. I do believe Cachy is superior to all of them, but you need to be at least intermediate user, right? To understand what you are doing with the terminal. Oh, it will switch to SDMM for me? That's all. Okay, so we'll see. We'll do that, boys. So Sharika, and everybody in chat was an Nvidia card. I would say right now, don't use Wayland. Okay, like don't use Wayland. There is no point of using Wayland right now, dude. Just use X11, and when Nvidia finally push the driver and everything is set up, then you move to Wayland. Because even those explicit patch, they are good, okay? Because they minimize like the flickering and stuff, but they're not perfect. We need to wait for the driver and everything done like I would say like better. Like, you know, like clearly better. Clearly better. Okay, let's restart. Hello, Wolfer. Hey, please don't start the little war between AMD and Nvidia. I think some people are gonna cry in chat if we go there. Okay, so I don't even want to go there. Let's not even start, please. When I got an AMD card, I immediately switched it to Linux and dropped Windows. Yeah, makes sense, man. So now we should be able to run KDE. Ha! The old bug. Do you remember this bug, dude? Roger. Thank you, Wolfer. I appreciate it, man. So they are using an old version of KDE 6. I can tell right away. But we have KDE 6, man. It's actually cool. Guys, it's actually cool, huh? KDE 6 on clear Linux and Nvidia driver, dude. I'm just saying. I don't know why I feel a little bit fast, but okay. So it was pretty good, huh? So you know what? Sudo SW like swap. Okay, and I guess it's gonna be bundle remove GNOME. I think I want to do it, dude. Oh, I can't do that. I have to remove one by one. Okay, so you know what? No thanks. Nothing match with this filter. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna remount the disk, I guess. Give me 1 second, chat. Oh, so I guess flat seal. Oh, because I switch, I'm guessing the name of the mount is not the same for whatever reason. And I was scared. I should have switched to KDE right off the bat. I made a mistake, dude. Because I was not sure if it would work, right? I was kind of like, you know? But it was my mistake. Okay, so I'm trying to share my hard drive with Flatpak right now. Okay, it's working, dude. So let me explain you what happened. Because I changed the DE, right? I changed the old DE. The share name of my external drive changed, and so I couldn't find it anymore. But now we're good. Okay. I gave the permission back. So we are on Clear Linux. We are on X11. I have the latest driver. And yeah, we're gonna go and try again and see if we have a better performance. We were at 280 FPS, okay? And now we'll see with KDE. Okay, did I say D, desktop environment, not the D. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, you want me to get demonetized, huh, Dana Celo? Like, how are we gonna do? Ugh. Hello, Coco. I saw your video on the FSR3 mod. Is it possible to implement the mod on AMD GPU? In my case, a 7800 XT. So you can have another mod installed, but not this mod. This mod just works with Nvidia right now. There is a mod which works with AMD, but with AMD, for this mod you need to pay for it. So I didn't buy the mod. But yes, with the other mod you could. It's called Look FZ. I was thinking, if I get enough donation, I will buy it. And make a tutorial about it. What do you think, Coco? Bon, she's smooth, huh? She's smooth on Clear Linux, guys. The woman from Tomb Raider is smooth. Sounds like a plan? Alright, bro. You know what to do. Where I come from, we say pas de bras, pas de chocolat. It's a really bad joke, but I think it's still like really representative of the reality, bro. Which means like no harm, no chocolate. And yeah, I agree. Like the actual benchmark is running really well. But now the true question is like, are we gonna get the special like finish ending with the customer at the market without a pant? This is what we are all looking for now, dude. But it's smooth, that's for sure. Yep. No pant again. So I think we'll be full FPS, dude. Full sending it. That last sentence can be taken out of context so hard, I know. That was my point. A little bit of humor in the middle. Okay, so let's see. We were doing 280 with GNOME. Whoa, 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 boys! Boys, look what I see here. So, dude, it's not bad at all. Man. Not bad at all, boys. You remember in the chat when you were like, hey guys, do you need an Intel CPU to work with it? I don't think so. I think it's pretty straightforward, guys. GNOME is bad. Listen, I don't want to say that because listen, I made this video where I compare all the GE, right, with my hardware. And when I said like GNOME was not the best, I had some of the guys who came to my chat and they were like commenting, well, your scale on the graph is not the best. So I do agree. The scale was not the best. But then some of those dudes, they were like, oh yeah, your scale is malicious because you wanted to GNOME look bad. So they didn't write it this way, but it was clearly the line behind their saying. But like, dude, I'm not trying to make any G bad. Like, I don't care. Like, the result is here. You have KDE, you have 300 FPS. You have GNOME, and you have 200 HE FPS. It's kind of bad. Is game mode on? I think the game mode is integrated within this game. Because Feral is a company that created the game mode, if I remember correctly. So I think it should be within the game. You don't need game mode anyways. I agree that once you get it set up, it runs well, but that's just Linux, unless maintained by idiot. Okay, my criteria is really how is it set up for your use case. I agree, Holliswood. But you still want to have performance, right? Because like, let's say you go on Ubuntu, you're gonna get stuck on GNOME. So Ubuntu, by definition, for gaming is not the best. The results speak for themselves. I agree. Okay, so we are good there, huh? Man, I kind of like Clear Linux right now. Dude, it's not bad at all, huh? And did you notice we had an upgrade of kernel? We are at 6.8.2 now. I thought the first time I booted, I was on 6.7. Do you remember? Like, boys, this is clearly like rolling edge to the moon, huh? A 8% FPS increase by just switching to KDE is wild. I know. And this is with Flatpak Steam. That's right, yeah. Okay, let's play Overwatch real quick. I kind of like this Clear Linux, guys. I won't lie to you. Like, so this is the type of distro I think we should spend more time on. And be like, okay, what are the limitations? Because you mentioned that... you mentioned that some applications are... Like, the repository of application is pretty small. So that could be my issue here. You know what I mean? Oh no. Oh, it doesn't have Kichi too, you see? I think this is the issue with this distro. It's like you have nothing with it. You know what I mean? It's like you're gonna have to compile a lot of stuff. Okay, we're gonna be waiting for everything to be compiled and then we're gonna try. Bundle list, only list install packages. Oh, so how do you make a search? Yeah, there is none, dude. Oh, all install bundle. Okay, got it. Search for the best bundle install. Okay, so search. Yeah, you see? So there is no Kichi, for example. You see, that's weird, huh? How it goes up and down, like the kernel. Like, I don't know what's going on here, but you can see the FPS are like 600, 400, 400, 400, 400. You see, it go down. I don't know why he's doing that. I would love to see a graph of that. Yeah, it's clearly aging. I don't know what's going on, man. But there is something happening there. Well, is it going to be a game changer in game? I don't know. I don't think so, right? But it seemed reactive enough for me, at least. Yeah, it is reactive enough, I think, dude. Okay. That I can explain, right? I can't explain why we have those like variation within the frame rate. I just can't explain it, guys. It could be a lot of things, right? But what I can tell you is that when I play on CachyOS, I don't have that. Did you disable the compositor? Yes, I did. Like if I don't disable the compositor, I can get through 600 FPS anyways. I was a little bit confused for no game audio when I came in. So I don't have audio because I need to set up my mixer. I just didn't do it. Like it's not important, right? Like, do you really care about the audio? I don't think you guys care, no? I just installed the distro, like I need to set up the sound. That's all. Priority was more to get the Nvidia driver working and do some tests. It's 2024, we just need visual, agreed. But I can add it. It's just gonna take me like 5 minutes. Why does every modern game have a stupid launcher within a launcher? I don't know. Good question, broski. So I kind of like the concept of the distro. I won't lie to you. I like the concept and the vision of the distro, which is like you have a really small base and then you just add container of stuff on top of it, right? Like that's how it works. And the base is supposed to be rolling edge and super solid. And I'm gonna say it again. I kind of like this aspect, right? I kind of like this aspect. Have you tried Arco Linux? No. I didn't have the opportunity to try it. You know, I won't lie to you. Before I was making those streams, I was not a distro hopper. I'm not a distro hopper by definition. I like Kashi OS right now. Before I was on Endeavor OS and also Garuda. I didn't switch that much, right? So 167. We have the same average and we have a higher minimum FPS. What the heck? Bro, this distro is working very well, huh? So it's not by a lot, right? You have like, here you gain 1 FPS, and on the mean you gain some FPS too, but... Dude. Are you an Arch-based enjoyer? I'm an Arch enjoyer, I would say. I'm using Arch-based because I don't want to have to configure it. Right? But yes, I like Arch. I've been running Kashi, like I didn't reinstall Kashi for 5 months now. I really like it. Like I think it's super stable. Like you need to know what to do, right? Sometimes you're gonna have issue, obviously. But what I like with Arch is like you can solve everything. If you know what you are doing or if you know how to read a wiki, you can do it. Like I have the feeling with other distro, it's more complicated than just reading a wiki. Yeah, you are recalling that chat, but we watch. So listen, dude, this distro is working for both. Because the Intel instructions are the same as the other like modern instructions there on AMD. So it's really optimized for everything. Hmm. Look pretty smooth to me, huh, guys? Yeah, it looked pretty smooth to me, boys. I don't know what sauce what sauce they are putting there, but hmm. Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? It looks pretty smooth through the stream, yep. Any suggestion on Windows Manager? I like i3 and I like Hyperland, but you know, with my Nvidia, I can't really enjoy Hyperland right now. But that's the one I like. Man, I have to say I'm pretty impressed by this Clear Linux, huh, dude? So you still need to put your hand, I would say, under the hood a little bit to switch desktop environment and install the Nvidia driver. But man, like, it is working. It is definitively working. You will have also like the issue related to Flatpak and the permission with Flatseal and everything. But that's all. Okay, let me try another game real quick. So what package manager does Clear Linux use? They use their own package manager, dude. It's called swapd. Swapd. But it's really limited. You don't have a lot of I would say a lot of packages you can install natively, and everything is gonna run through Flatpak. But I'm kind of okay with it. For someone which is not a power user, or someone who can deal with it, it could be good. Hey, hello Madara. I'm doing great, dude. Happy Friday. Oh yes, I have some tea left. Cheers. He has 4,000 packages in the repo. Yeah. I don't know what it is compared to other like distro, but I think it's not a lot, no? Let's see if they have OBS. Oh, we have OBS installed? The heck? Okay, I'm installing OBS right now, just for the science. Yeah, I think their package manager is not the best. The heck do I start that? Am I crazy? Oh, my bad. Oh, la 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 la, dude. Man, am I losing my mind? So, search OBS. Bundle with the best search result. HPC tool for running a job cluster. Okay. This bundle can be installed with OpenMPI. Alternative bundle options are Parallel, OBS Studio. Oh, you see, it's only from FlatHub. It's still confusing though. It's there, dude, look. Is it not what I typed before? OBS Studio is already installed. Flashbang? Sorry, man. Wait. Okay, dude, sorry. Wait. My bad. I'm apologizing for the flashbang, okay? No more flashbang. Close terminal and reopen, okay. Yeah, I'm confused. Like, there is more to dig into. Like, I'm confused, dude. Could be like immutable distro reboot to see UBS, OBS. No, I don't think so. Like, it should be working right off the bat, dude. Does Helldiver 2 work okay on Linux? Yes, it should. It should be working perfectly, it is on Linux. Wolfer. Just use the Flatpak. Never. Never. I've done it before. You know, I've been there before, brother. He will be like, why do things easy when you can do them the cool way? Bro, this is working really, really well. Oh my gosh! This is working well, dude. Like, this has the same performance as CachyOS. Like, how do they do that? You see, this is what I was saying in all my tests. I was like, here you're gonna be around 500 FPS normally. And I'm at 500 FPS. And when I look up, I should be around 620, 600, right? Like, look at it. Like, this is really solid, boys. I'm fairly impressed. I'm gonna have to add this to my recommendation, guys. Huh? Clear Linux. That's good. So what do I think about DistroBox? Yeah, why not? You can use it, no problem. It's a good tool. I don't need to use it for whatever application I use, but it's pretty fun to use. Add it to recommendation, but can't open OBS. No, I can open OBS. Watch. I just need to install from the Flatpak, right? It's just I need to understand how their installer actually works. Right? So games work worse with Flatpak Steam because of syscall. It depends on the game, Toaster. Not all of them will work worst. It's just on specific game. You're gonna have this issue, right? So let me check the encoder real quick. Yeah, I have everything I wanted. See? No problemo, boys. This is pretty dope, huh? I have Nvidia and Vang, both of them. And I have the browser source. This is what is important. But you don't have everything else, but it's not bad. Try recording. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm gonna do that just for the science, okay? Everything is good, dude. No error. It's actually recording everything. What is this player, dude? What is this player? Yeah, you see? Everything is fine, dude. So, yeah, clear Linux, my man. My man. My man. Okay. Well. Okay, so let's conclude, boys. I think we did everything we wanted to do. We are at the 2 hours mark. How do we conclude that, chat? How do we conclude that? Okay, so let's say you just watch this video on YouTube and you are like, what the hell is Clear Linux? And you didn't want to watch 2 hours of me installing Clear Linux and making some benchmark with our lovely chat here. Because we still have like 50 viewers apparently, 55 viewers, which is really great. Here is the story. Clear Linux is actually a good operating system. I would say their vision is about having like a limited amount of like packages, native packages running on it. But you can use Flatpak and have all the Flatpak like software available for you. So that's the first point, okay? Second point, I would say that it's definitively a rolling edge with a top-notch performance when it comes to gaming. This is what we tried, at least, here. And dude, I have to say, it was not bad at all. Not bad at all. I would have to, I think, like, play a little bit more with it. Maybe we're gonna do another stream on Wednesday with still, like, Clear Linux on. Not the install, but more like the content creation aspect and try to understand a little bit more like what we can install and what we cannot install on this beast. But it's not bad. Clear Linux is working clearly well. Yes. Yes, dude. I was pleasantly surprised with Clear Linux. Same. Does Clear Linux clears? Yes. Clearly, Clear Linux is clear and to the point for clarity. Okay, boys, okay. As long as you switch to X11 and KDE. Yes, but this is not a Clear Linux issue, right? It's a GNOME issue there. And explicit sync type of issue too. So it's not really related to Clear Linux. It would be the same with every distro, right? So that's pretty dope. I have to say that's pretty dope. I do believe that the fact that their native packages are limited, you're gonna be limited too in what you want to do. So if you are an extreme tweaker, might not be the best distro, but still, it's performing. Like if you game, I don't see any issue, guys. I don't see any issue, dude. And the fact that you don't have to play with your kernel to have this type of performance, like it's working really well out of the box, guys. Don't forget it. We got 300 plus FPS on Tomb Raider out of the box. Not too shabby, if you ask me. Not too shabby. So guys, here it is, I think. I think this is gonna be the end of the stream. Do you guys have any question? Like, what do you think you should try? One question, does Clear Linux also handicapped hardware encoding like on Fedora or OpenSUSE? What do you mean? Chimera OS. So Arno, Chimera OS, I can't install it on my machine. Okay, I can't install it because it's limited to AMD GPU. So Chimera OS is going to be a no-go for me. It won't work on my Nvidia card. Secondly, is like Chimera OS is the equivalent of Buzzite. I don't know if you remember, but like 2 weeks ago, we did test Buzzite on 2Stream. And I would say, in my opinion, like Buzzite seems way more finished than Chimera OS. I'm glad Clear Linux work well with AMD CPU. Yeah, there is no reason like it wouldn't work with AMD CPU. I think it was the case maybe 4 years ago, something like that, but now it will be working exactly the same on every platform. Hey, no worries, Arno. All is good. Just look for the Buzzite one. If you have some time to spend, it's the equivalent of Chimera OS, except that Buzzite is based on Fedora immutable, and Chimera OS is based on an Arch type of distro immutable. So it's just, you know. But I do believe Buzzite will be really good to what Chimera OS is actually achieving here, which is being a operating system for creating a console game out of a PC. Buzzite is super good for that. No TKG kernel, it's a shame. Bro, I don't need to install the TKG kernel. This kernel is a beast. I don't know what they do, but the clear native kernel is a beast, dude. It's working very well. You know, it's like when you install Cache. Like, you don't need TKG kernel, you have the Cache OS already. That's how I feel about this one. Shipping patenting encoder like H.264, like in Fedora OpenSUSE, they don't support out of the box. You have to do RPM fusion in order to get H.264 fusion. Oh, I understand what you mean. So how can I check that? I guess we just have to go on Twitch and see if I can play a video. Yeah, it's working out of the box, dude. It is working out of the box. So if I remember correctly, on Fedora, if you want to watch a stream on Twitch, like something in X264, you would have to install the codec, correct? But here, okay, I'm going to show you quick. Like, I'm watching this dude real fast. And it's working. Like, I didn't install anything. Too spooky. Try the Clear Linux kernel on a fresh Arch or something next. It's on the AUR. Oh, I know what you mean. Yeah, we could do that too. Why not? A comparison between Linux versus Cache versus TKG kernel. So this might happen in the future, but I need more time to prepare the stream, because if we do that, I need to find a way which will be fair for every kernel. And so far, I don't have some things that will really put the emphasis on what make a kernel better than another. One being input lag. Okay, like to be clear, one being input lag. Okay, guys, I'm out. I think we covered everything. We did a pretty good testing on Clear Linux. Clearly. Okay, that's enough for me. Guys, have a great weekend. I hope I answered all your questions. We will be back on Wednesday, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to push a video this Tuesday for a simple reason. It's Easter right now, and I would like to spend some time with my family. So, yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to push a video this week. We'll see. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But if I don't be upset, okay, guys? And last thing, don't forget to sub, like this video. Like, please don't forget to like the video here if you enjoyed it or whatever. If you want to support my work, you have a Patreon, you have a membership on YouTube where you can like donate money for me to continue to do that. I would really appreciate you. And yeah, that's all. Guys, see you in the next one. And I will say over there, bisous, bisous. Take care.